12:24 here on this, what was a very cold morning again. A lot of places stayed above freezing with the air temperature, but cold enough on some surfaces like windshields, metal car tops, rooftops to get a little bit of frost again this morning, even on the grass in some areas. This picture, we had a picture from Ellie Reina yesterday from Palm View. Today she updated it. Frost again. She put our TV call letters in there, KRGV. With the date this morning, a little smiley face. That was good. But yeah, there's a lot of frost around. This is the way to get your picture on TV. Put KRGV in the frost. So it's a little hint there for you at home. But again, frost was around this morning, even though the air temperature stayed above freezing. It can be a few degrees cooler. If you measure the air temperature up here, it may actually be a few degrees warmer than right on the ground on these clear, calm nights. But we shouldn't see any frost coming tonight. Things look much, much quieter around here for the next couple of days in terms of any cold weather. Some sun and warmer weather today. Temperatures back up in the 60s today, 70s tomorrow. I think we'll be easily above 70 everywhere on Friday. Maybe still in the upper 60s right on South Padre Island because the water temperatures have cooled there, but generally in the 70s everywhere tomorrow. Clouds could start to thicken on Saturday. We may start to see some shower chances late Saturday night or Sunday. I think if there is something Saturday night, maybe like 10 p.m., midnight or later, it might be just a sprinkle or some drizzle. But Sunday, there could be some rain showers coming down in spots as a weak cold front gets closer and a lot of moisture piles in here. 63 degrees right now in Weslaco, 65 in Rio Grande City, and 66 in Brownsville. You see temperatures back up into the 60s everywhere. Wind speeds are fairly light. I mean, we're talking about winds barely noticeable if you're out today. You see 0 in Weslaco and Edinburg and no more than 6 miles per hour anywhere else. So this is one of the calmer days around. And Friday won't have very much wind either. It might be a little more like 5 or 10 miles per hour. But today and tomorrow, pretty calm around the valley in terms of wind. Satellite radar shows pretty quiet weather. In the upper levels, there's a little bit of a patch of moisture coming through. If you watch the last couple frames here again, some high thin clouds are coming through. They're thick enough that it's kind of filtering the sun a little bit, but only for a couple of hours as they push through. And then we're back into mostly sunny skies. So, you know, if you see the clouds increasing over you, don't get all sad that the sun's going away. It will still be around most of the afternoon, and we'll be around tomorrow too. Across South Texas, you see no rain anywhere nearby, even in the mountains of Mexico. Future track shows mostly sunny skies this afternoon at 2 p.m. and then beyond through 5 p.m. As the sun goes down, though, the air is still very dry. Plus, remember, those winds are not blowing very much. When we have dry air and clear skies and very little wind, it allows temperatures to cool fairly quickly. So even though it's a little warmer today, it will still cool quickly into the 50s this evening and back in the 40s later tonight. We should say above 40 by morning nearly everywhere, but it won't be as cold as this morning, but still a little chilly when you wake up tomorrow. I mean, temperatures in the low 40s and mainly clear skies initially. Friday should be a fairly sunny day. It might be a few high clouds coming in at times in the afternoon, but generally a bright day all around. Friday night, the humidity starts to increase a little bit, not muggy, but enough moisture coming in. You may see some lower clouds form towards Saturday morning. And then Saturday, as the wind flow picks up a bit from the southeast, that brings in more clouds. It may not be 100% clouds on Saturday, but probably going to be cloudy, or the majority of the sky filled with clouds most of the day. So you'll lose a lot of the sunshine, but still with a southeasterly wind, it warms temperatures back into the 70s. And you notice dry weather through 7 p.m. on Saturday, just clouds, but later at night, you start to see a little bit of green pop up in the overnight hours towards Sunday morning. We could start to see some showers form, especially I think during the daytime on Sunday. Not rain all day, but showers could really form at any time on Sunday with the higher chances later Sunday afternoon and evening. So the end of the weekend could start to get just more and more cloudy and eventually more and more rain showers around. Some of the models do say you may end up with, by later Sunday and Sunday night, maybe close to an inch of rain in some areas if enough showers do form. But dry weather today and tomorrow. Saturday, you know, if we break this down, before, say, 10 p.m., it's probably 0%, but after 10 p.m. into the nighttime hours, maybe 20% chance for a little sprinkle or some drizzle around, but very little of anything falling from the sky on Saturday night. 68 for a high today, some sunny skies, the clouds, you know, kind of here and there early in the afternoon like you saw, but most of the time it's fairly sunny. Back down to 43 late tonight, a chilly night out there again. And you may see a few patches of fog because the humidity is increasing, but probably not dealing with too much thick fog anywhere. Just a cool night though, but as the humidity increases, again, possibility of little areas of fog towards sunrise. Hey, the 7-day forecast though, the sunshine can't stick around all the days. We stay sunny today and tomorrow. Saturday, clouds thicken, highs in the 70s. Sunday gets even cloudier, and there could be some showers, maybe even a weak thunderstorm around. And then a weak cold front rolls through Sunday night and Monday, brings down temperatures a little bit, but showers are a good bet Sunday and Monday. And then after that, the shower chances decrease some, but maybe a few here and there on Tuesday and Wednesday.